Alright folks, we're at Sherwood Chev here in Saskatoon 550 Brand Road, and I want to show you the 2021 Chevy Trailboss. We're just going to start it up here. Alright, and as you can see on the key fob, tailgate release right there. So Z71 off-road package here, factory lift, 2 inches here, red recovery tow hooks, black Chevy bow tie on the front, and this one so happens to have a 6.2 liter engine, so I gotta love that. Wi-Fi fin at the top there, blacked out rims. This one has running boards on it, and I like the color with the black handles on here. I'm gonna show you something in the back here. Oh, I guess I gotta unlock it, right? Okay, it's a cold day out here. Oh, didn't hit it right. Hands are frozen. Okay, so this one has leather here, and back defrost on the windows here. Put this down. I like to have these down when you're driving, and I want to show you something cool. Look at that, some extra storage space there for you. So pretty cool. And this one has a bench seating. You can get buckets as well. 2 glove boxes. All your modern technology there. Sunroof. Let's go to the back there. Okay, so see that lift there, and of course with Chevy you have all you have to do is put your foot in here, and easy step into the bed there. This one's ready for pulling. LT backup camera, nice tailgate, sprayed bed liner on this one. Let's go in the front. Hands are getting cold. Blind spot monitoring will light up right there. Okay, Bose stereo system, all your power controls here on the seat, super comfortable. Let's jump in here. So let's take a look at your controls real quick here as I warm up. My hands need to unthaw. You know what's cool about the Chevy trucks here? So with the heated seats, you have the option of just the back being heated or the back and the seat. Oh, we got a push button started here. Okay. Let's turn it down.
South End, Brave Van Lake, and Kia Sales. So keep your eyes and ears open on that, and make sure you're ready.
This one's got 7 kilometers on it. Needs a new home. Okay, so let's have a look. Turn this fan down a little bit here, and as you can see, all the controls here. If you want to plug something in here, trailer brake controller here. Parking sensors, automatic stop start, and there's a button inside to release your tailgate, hazards, traction control, power outlet, hill descent control, dual climate control here and here, and all your normal buttons there. The stereo controls here, so you can press on the screen, or you have the hard buttons there. And I love this thing right here because some of the other vehicles that I've been in, I have a big phone. It's like 6.4, and it doesn't fit. This one, this will fit. My phone's 6.4, and this is the best fit that I've had for my phone. 2 glove boxes here, and same on the passenger side. Okay, cup holders. Put your phone here too, which is bigger than normal as well. Tons of room in here. Okay guys, that's a quick look there. And the screen is awesome. OnStar, of course, up here. All your controls up there as well. So that's the Chevy Trailboss, and here's your steering wheel controls. Heated steering, forgot to put that on. And there you go, black Chevy bow tie. So that's a sign of quality right there. Chevrolet. Come down and let's do a test drive on the Trailboss or any of these other ones like the Colorado, the quarter ton. This is the light duty truck for Chevy. Love it. And you can add more or less options. Here's a quick look at the Chevy Colorado, a little bit smaller. Chevy Colorado. Here's another Chevy here. This one we just took. This is a 2020 that we just took in. Yeah, I like that. But this Trailboss though, I'm loving this one. With that lift, snow will never be a problem in this truck, that's for sure. So once again, there's another quick look at the Chevy Trailboss with the Z71 package. Whew, ready for some snow, guys. Talk to you soon. Check out my other videos on here. Please subscribe to the channel.